Hear the sound of enemy soldiers as they empty the mags. Click clack, we're dodging bullets and bombs. Christopher Wallace, rest in peace, we're ready to die for our squad. It's a wasteland and it's a war zone. We are battling an enemy we don't know. All the skills we have acquired, all the years that we have trained, have equipped us as soldiers to deliver the pain. We fill their lungs up with lead, they cannot hide from our scopes. They think they're safe inside a building, we shoot them, then they don't. Turning breathing bodies into piles of motionless bones. We do it over and over until we get to go home. You know freedom has a price, so we lay down our lives. For our family, for our friends, for our kids and our wives. We fight for our country, protected like a shield, ready to do whatever it takes on the battlefield.
Grab your guns, it's time to go to war. Here we come, yeah, we're knocking down your door. Buildings fall, bodies hit the floor in Battlefield 4. Battlefield 4. Grab your guns, it's time to go to war. Here we come, yeah, we're knocking down your door. Buildings fall, bodies hit the floor in Battlefield 4. Battlefield 4.
We have fun with big guns, we make all the news run. Sound like Duke Nukem when we tell them,
come get some.
Going prone so we don't get owned by a sniper. Pulling out a knife and embarrassing the campers. Focused and I'm fearful of what's around the corner. Ain't easy to breathe, call me wheezy, I have poor nerves. Buildings blowing up, mentally I'm just trying to hold on. Be a hero, be the man, be the one to stay strong. Flashbacks, kinda spiritual, call it white noise. Memories of when we were kids, just young boys. Playing in the woods, toy guns and wood forts. Acting like we were in the middle of a world war. This is real blood, and these are real screams. These are real bullets in my M16. Some say it's just a game, no it's nothing more. But to me it's much more than just Battlefield 4.